Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to take it back a few months to when Allison was 4 months old. That's right, I did a little cleaning and reorganizing in her nursery and I just never had the opportunity to post it. I'm going to do that for you guys today so you guys can see how I organized her nursery, kind of changed things around, changed out her bedding. Just know that this footage was from last August 2019. Baby was about 4 months old. And it's me just reorganizing, rearranging her room, moving things around and stuff like that. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the little throwback and enjoyed to when Allison was this big and before her hair grew out, because now she has a lot of hair. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy. We're gonna get started? Yes. Bye. She's just trying to figure out what's going on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reorganizing and cleaning up Allison's nursery. I'm also going to be doing some of her laundry and I'm going to be changing out her crib set. She is 4 months old. Today is Saturday, August 17th. And yeah, she's 4 months old. She is developing very nicely and she's huge. She's heavy and she's just a beautiful little baby. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, go ahead and check my page out there because I post a lot of her pictures, a lot of her developments, and God bless you, God bless you, and a lot of her developments and milestones and stuff like that. She also has her own little IG page that I started for her just because I kind of didn't want to make my page all about the baby, so I made one for her just to dedicate her own little cute little pictures. And I'm sorry, is my hair bothering you? I will leave both of our Instagram names down here. You guys should go check us out. My plan is to basically just, you know, document her growth, her development, and everything. You guys can watch her grow and basically just come along with us in this little adventure that we did not really plan for. She was quite a miracle baby. If you guys don't know my story, I had a tubal ligation after I had my last child, and pretty much 11 years later I had her, and I did have a tubal reversal, but we didn't think that it was a successful reversal because not every time you can have a baby after reversal. And after many years, she pretty much just came unexpectedly, and we're just so happy. Anyway, I'm going to quit babbling and we're going to get started. Alright, I'm going to have to put you down, cutie pie. Are you ready to have lunch? Okay. I think I'm going to feed her first because it's her lunchtime. It's a little bit past 11 and we're going to feed her first and then we're going to get started. It's okay. It's okay. What are you looking at? I know. I'm just making sure you're okay, sweetie. Alright, so I'm just going to show the room before I get started, and we have a few things here. That little initial I want to hang over her door outside. I got that from Hobby Lobby, and I just want to organize this little clothing rack. I think I'm going to put it inside the closet just because, yeah, it's just getting a little overwhelming, all the clothes and everything. So I'm going to put the clothing rack inside her closet that we have right here. I have a shade here, a brand new shade that we're going to put on her window because the one that's currently on there is broken. And we have this little over the door rack where I hang up her blooming bath lotus. Whatever. I have one of her towels there. One of my cardigans is there, so I need to organize that, put everything away. And the closet right now doesn't have anything in it. It just has pretty much a high chair, and I'm going to move that out of the way and put it somewhere else so I could be able to put a clothing rack in here. So we have a few outfits that I've received from when she's older. And a few things here on the floor that I need to get rid of. I need to do her laundry. Her laundry basket is overflowing with laundry. So it's been pretty much a busy month with the kids going back to school and us getting back from vacation. So I, kind of got backed up in here, and I'm just going to organize her little changing station right here. We got some clothes there that I tried to put on her and it didn't fit anymore. Let me see right here. So I need to put that away. And let's see what else. I've had these sonogram pictures up here since before she was born, and it worked out perfectly because with the black and white contrast, newborns for some reason like staring at that. So she really did stare at that for a while. But now, I want to change that out and maybe put some pictures of me and her or some family pictures up there so she can look at. I bought this little gym for her. And she really does like it. She kicks the little piano, and she tries to go for the little things that are hanging. That little thingy that we see right here, the little box. So I'm going to be putting all the clothes that don't fit her in there, and her little aspen tree. Her drawers I have to organize because they're a little bit messy. And her crib. I'm going to be changing out this crib set, including her mobile, to another set. The one that I got is from Bye Bye Baby, and it's really pretty. It has flowers. It kind of looks similar, but it's not. This one is more of a shabby chic pattern with the little rosebuds and everything like that. So we got some stuffed animals in here. Her first little teddy. Yeah, her little crib is a mess. bless you. God bless you. And me selfies with the baby now that she's growing, and I don't know, I thought it'd be fun. It kind of makes the room look bigger also. So that's Allison in the crib. So this is a set that I bought myself when I was pregnant, and I really loved it. I bought it from Bye Bye Baby, and this is called the Savannah collection from Wendy Bellissimo. They still have it available in Bye Bye Baby. They also have this set available in Amazon.com. Pretty much the same price. I put the mobile over here this time just because I feel like she's able to see it more and she's actually liking it, but I'll probably move it at a later time. So I have her little animals and pillows around her crib, which obviously they're very lightweight and they have like a little rattling sound in them. But I simply love the crib set, and that's what it's looking like. Hey, are you calling mommy? Huh? So I still have the canopy, which I love, and I have those peony flowers, and obviously her name is still there on that decal on the wall. So we're gonna move on here. This corner right here is where I had that mirror, and I just moved it and I put her little rocker there. So I have that there. And on this dresser, hold on, let me give her passy. On top of this dresser, I have her blocks for when she graduates to another month. I have a little candle here, and I also decorated my maternity picture frame with some roses, and I just love it. I really like the black and white picture with her in my tummy, and I love that picture. It's like very classic and a great memory for me. So I love it, and I'm glad that I have it there for the baby. Here we have the rocker slash glider. I don't think I ever spoke about this, but I want to show you guys this beautiful blanket that I picked up from TJ Maxx. I picked this up from TJ Maxx, and it's very, very girly, very soft. And it's just very lightweight, very shabby chic almost. I love it because it has feminine softness and features, and I simply love it. It's a little on the off-white colors, kind of almost like a cream, but I have it here because when I nurse the baby sometimes I like to cover her, and I just love the little ruffles on here. Like I said, these pillows I have here for back support because this glider does have a long seating area, and I'm not that tall, so. And then I wanted to show this beautiful blanket. I wanted to show you guys this beautiful blanket that I had personalized. I really wanted to get this when for when the baby was born, but I didn't get the opportunity. I just had so much going on. But as you can see, it has her name pretty much all over the blanket, along with some bright colored flowers and roses and stuff like that. This I did get from Amazon. Moving on to her changing station, I do have the plush changing pad cover that came with the set that I have in her crib right now. So this is what it looks like. It's very soft and very plush. It's kind of like that velvet material. And I have a little stuffed animal there for her with some flowers, and her books are still here. So when I'm with her here, I kind of just grab and read to her. Her bath essentials is here. Her wipes are on the lower level, and her Pampers also. And right here we have her receiving blankets and her extra blankets. This is a, what do you call that? The carrier, the cloth carrier, I forgot what that's called. But I have that, and yeah, that's how I have everything organized. Up here, obviously, I have her baby wipes and the baby wipe warmer. And I know a lot of people forego this. They don't really think it's worth it. I actually really do like this. I do like the fact that the wipes are warm when I am cleaning the baby. But it is true that the top wipes, after a while, they get dried out. But what I do is pretty much remove like the first two if they're dried up and kind of just wet them or whatever and re-put them in here. And the other ones are still moist. And then I have her diapers here, her powder from Noodle and Boo. I have Aquaphor in case she gets a rash. I have a Soothing Relief Moisturizing Cream for her face because she does get dry skin around her face. And I have a Bordeaux butt paste here. And I also have her sunscreen here, which I don't know why it's here. But I bought this for our vacation. We went to Florida. And I just have it here. And yeah, that is it, guys. And other than that, we have the hamper. The baby's hamper is right there in the little corner. In this closet, we have her clothing rack. I'll give you a little sneak peek. We just kind of put it in there. It fits. We also have the top shelf for maybe little t-shirts or whatever. I have to organize that a little bit more, but at least her clothes are on a rack. Finally done in Allison's room. I moved things around. Honestly, the only thing that I have to do is mount her bookcase on the wall somewhere, but I'm not going to do that quite yet. But other than that, her room is pretty done, and I am so happy with how it looks. I actually did not get rid of anything in here. I just rearranged everything. So you guys can see her. I did put her in some PJs already. Say hi, sugar pie. Hi. I love you. So yeah, Allison's ready for a nap. It's been quite a day. I did all her laundry. I organized her drawers. I changed out her crib set and I reorganized her room. So I'll probably do like just a separate tour. You want to show everyone your room? Yes? Yes? So let me know if you guys want a separate little tour. Allison is ready for a nap, and yeah, I'm happy to do all this for her. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Say bye. You're tired. You're tired. Bye, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. So anyway, fun fact, she will be a year old next month. We are planning a little birthday party for her, so I cannot wait. Let me know if you want to see more throwback videos, because obviously I did do a lot of recording. I just, with the baby and all, I never had the opportunity to sit down and edit. But now that we're quarantined at home, now's the time to get all these videos edited and posted, hopefully, if you guys want to see it. So let me know. And again, thanks again for watching. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and join our little family, and we will see you all in the next one. Bye.